guys, hello everyone. So let's continue with the second paper about inheritance. So let's go with the first question of this paper. In pea plants, the allele for tall stems is dominant. So tall, like capital T, let's say it is dominant. And short stem in here will be small t because it's recessive. Heterozygous tall plant, which will be written as capital T, small t, is crossed with a short plant. You know, short is a recessive feature and it needs only to be in homozygous form. They created 100 offspring are produced. How many of offspring are likely to be tall? So in here, ratio is 1 to 1. So it means that 50 of them will be short, 50 tall. So it's B. The nucleus in a body cell of a fly contains 12 chromosomes. Guys, you know that body cells are diploid. So 2n equals to 12. How many chromosomes are there in the nucleus of a sperm from this fly? No, the sperm cell is haploid and there will be 6 chromosomes. In a species of plant, the allele for red flower is dominant, okay. 2 red flowered plants were crossed. So as you see in here, let's say that 28 of them are white, which means that it's a recessive feature. So it means that both parents are heterozygote. So they are red, but they have hidden, let's say, that recessive feature, which expressed in 28 white flowers. What are the genotypes of the parents? As we said, both of them are heterozygote. It is C. The diagram shows potato tuber that developed from a stem of a parent potato plant. 3 shoots are started to grow from the tuber. How do genotypes of the shoot compare with the genotypes of the tuber and of the parent? So first of all, guys, you must know that this tuber, or in here is shoot, all of them are developing by mitosis. And mitosis creates identical cells. So in this case, all they are identical. The color of mouse's fur is controlled by single pairs of allele. Black fur is crossed with white fur. So black and white. So look, guys, I'm writing here. So black crossed with white. And all of them are black. So from here, we can understand that black color is a dominant feature. So let's say I will use capital B for black. And white will be in here small b. And this black will be capital B, small b. All the offspring had black fur. It means that this is capital B also. What will be most likely ratio in several litters of offspring if 2 of these black offspring were crossed? But if you will take 2 heterozygote, as I said in here, ratio is 3 to 1. 3 black, 1 white fur. Let's see. What is always found in female gametes and may be found in male gametes? Always found in female and may be found in male gamete. Of course, 1 chromosome, 1 X chromosome, or just X chromosome. In rabbits, the allele for dark fur are, as you see, dark fur is a dominant feature, white fur is a recessive feature. So if it is white, recessive, it will be small r, and this is small r. So like small r means that 1 r came from here, so another r came from next parent. And because of its dark fur, it will be capital R, small r. And these offsprings are capital R, small r's also. And these are small r's. What are the genotypes of the offspring? So offsprings are capital R, small r, or small r's. It is A. In some animals, B allele is for normal skin and small b is for spotted skin. Again, normal skin is dominant feature in here. A pair of these animals has 37 offspring, 18 of them are with spot, 19 without. So if they are like if 18 of them are spotted, it means that their genotype is small b. Small b. This is, you know, that 1-to-1 ratio, and it occurs in C onset. Because in C onset, half of the offsprings are spotted, some half not. In B, all of them are spotted. In B, nearly 75% of them are without spot. 25% are spotted. In A, all of them are without spot. So C is an answer. Which type of reproduction and which type of cell division produces nuclei with half of number of chromosome? You know that it is meiosis, and we are learning it especially in sexual reproduction. It is C. 10th question is about the pedigree analysis. The diagram shows a family tree and inheritance of the ability to taste a certain substance. The allele for ability to taste this substance is dominant. Okay, so this information is important. So the allele, the ability to taste this substance is dominant. So if they are non-taster, so they are recessives. So let's say that whites are small a's, small a, and small a, small a. Date is also because they are not tasted, guys. They are saying that tasting this substance is a dominant feature. So Mary contains minimum one capital A minimum, and one. So I will give you one information, guys. Because of the, let's look to the second couple, John and Mark. Their offspring, their daughter is small a. It means that one small a came from the mother, Jean, I think her name. Then Mary is also a heterozygote because of this daughter, as you see, small a. And because of the David, this daughter will have small a, and this son also will have small a. Actually, guys, we found all the genotypes of them. Let's see the question. Which statement about the genotypes of the sisters Mary and Jean is correct? So Mary, okay, they are sisters as you see. So guys, both of them as you see are heterozygote. Answer is C. What is the chance of the second child of Peter and Hannah being a non-taster? Similar question again, guys. In the question, they are saying that being taster is a dominant feature. So again, Mary contains one capital A minimum, Peter also, this girl also, and this one also. But being white means that you will have small a. Then another information, this is capital A, small a, and these are small a's. So small a, Mary also contains small a, David will be small a. Let's look to the Peter. So Peter, guys, Peter is also having small a because Peter took one small a from his father, David, and capital A came from Mary, his mother. So actually now we know the genotypes of parents. So it is 50% of being taster, 50% non-taster. So it's 50%, 1 and 2. B is the answer. Albinism is inherited condition in which pigment doesn't develop in the skin, hair, eyes. The albino allele is recessive. What are the chances of albino parents? We had this question, guys. It's D from the previous paper. In cats, the allele for short hair is dominant to the allele for long hair. So short hair is dominant. Again, guys, let's use capital H, and long hair will be small h. A short-haired cat and long-haired cat had several families of offspring. All of their kittens were short-haired. So in this case, most probably this one. So short-haired was capital H, long-haired, small h, and you know that all of them are here, short-haired. One of these kittens matured and mated with long-haired cat. So let's look at this one, capital H, small h, and cross it with long-haired cat, guys. Long-haired cat means that it is small h. Again, in here, 50% of them will be capital H, small h. Another 50% will be small h. So we can say that 50% of them are short-haired and another 50 long-haired. So answer is A. What are the genotypes of the parent maize plant? So the diagram shows a maize cob with purple and yellow fruits. Purple is dominant. So let's say that we have in here some genes of the parent maize plant. So in here, ratio looks like 3:1. So both parents were heterozygous, and this is the reason why majority of them are purple in color. So answer in here is C. Guys, I will give you one information. Actually it is 50 to 50, but as you see from the picture, it's not looking like 50 to 50. In B, all of them needs to be purple, but we don't have. We see that there are white, yellow fruits also. In A, all of them needed to be purple. So answer is C. What is true of the chromosomes present in the daughter nuclei after meiosis and after mitosis? Because meiosis, of course, makes non-identical, but mitosis makes identical. It is C. The nucleus in each cell in the stem of a plant contains 32 chromosomes, guys. So stem is a body cell, and there will be 2n diploid chromosome number, which equals to 32. How many chromosomes are there in the nuclei of its pollen grains? Guys, in the pollen grain, we will have gametes, let's say, and gametes have half number, which equals to 16. Answer is B. Brown color is caused by dominant allele, guys. So let's say that capital B I will use. So it is brown. Then white in here, it means small b, guys. So if it's small b, it means that this first parent, it is also containing small b. And another small b will be in the next parent. So this can be small b or capital B, small b. So let's see. What are the genotype and phenotype of Wolf W? So as I said, Wolf W minimum must contain one small b. So genotype can't be brown, guys, because brown is phenotype, and there's no genotype is with one letter in this, like for parents, it's B. The life cycle of mammal, what describes the eggs and sperm cells and cells of an embryo. Guys, cells of embryo develop from zygote by mitosis, so they will be diploid. But egg and sperm cells are gametes made by meiosis. So answer in here is first one is haploid, second one is diploid, it's C. 19. Which cross shows how a boy inherits sex chromosomes from his parents, guys? So boys are XY, so let's eliminate C and A. And mother can't be XY, answer is D. What causes humans to have different blood groups, guys? Of course, blood groups are related with the genetics, let's see. What genetic cross gives 1-to-1 phenotypic and genotypic ratio? So 1-to-1, guys, look, A gives you 3-to-1. Phenotypic and genotypic ratios for both of them. Okay, guys, A gives phenotypic ratio of 3-to-1, which is not correct. B gives just 1. Answer in here is C. C because genotypic ratio is 1-to-1 or phenotypic ratio also 1-to-1. D is also 1. 22. We had actually this question in the previous paper. So now they are asking DOTA. So DOTA, of course, will be XX. So R needs to be XX. Let's eliminate B and D. They are asking Q. You know that father is XY. X came for DOTA, another X of mother. So Q will be Y in this case. It is C. Which feature of human is controlled by genes only, guys? Again, blood group. A dominant allele, we know that it is always expresses it is feature. Causes only harmful characteristics, false. Is responsible for male, false. Never undergoes mutation, false. Produce same phenotype in heterozygous and homozygous, yes, guys. Example, let's say that capital T is tall. So this is tall. This one is also tall because dominants are expressing on feature. In one type of plant, the allele for red flowers is dominant to the allele for white flowers. The plant with red flowers is crossed with the white flowers, and half of the, again guys, if there's a ratio of 1-to-1, it means that it is one of them is heterozygous, another one is recessive homozygote. It is D. 26. A gene for color of hair in mice has 2 alleles, represents for gray and okay. A mouse with gray hair breeds with a mouse with white hair with genotypes and they are creating for offspring with these genotypes. Of course, from here we can understand that one parent is capital B small b, another parent is small b small b. In here there will be 1-to-1 ratio. So One parent is heterozygous, another one is the homozygous recessive. Answer is D. A heterozygous tall plant is self-fertilized, so it means that you are crossing it with itself. What are the offspring most likely to be, guys? Offsprings will create 3-to-1 ratio. Nearly 75% of them will be tall. Another 25% will be dwarf, like short. So 3 tall plants on 1 short. Answer is D. Yes, that's all about the questions of genetics. If you will have any question, you can write as a comment and I will answer to your questions. Thank you for listening.